with another cartoon. Guess who?
Far from the crowded city, beyond the towering mountains, into the sweltering desert, where very few of nature's creatures can eke out a living.
He calls this a living.
We come to the quaint little hamlet called Lost Wages. Away from the din of the slot machines, our hero has come to this desert resort to relax in peace and quiet.
Dingledong, on with this rocket, I will be the first man to fly to Mars, yeah.
I'm going to put a stop to this racket.
Well, there she is, all finished.
So, he wants to go to Mars, eh?
You is just in time to witness this history-making event.
Bon voyage, Professor.
That was a rough landing, but I made it. Welcome to Mars. Ah, you must be one of its strange little inhabitants.
Boogie, boogie, ick, ick.
The natives are friendly. I will take you back to Earth with me as a specimen.
Specimen? Time I give this nut the Woody Woodpecker treatment. Professor, you need a drink.
Oh, thank you. Now let me see. X over pi. Got to allow for the wind.
Nah, it'll never work.
Sure it will. Put some animator there. Then you put your little tippy toe right there.
You're right. It worked.
Where are you, little Martian? Oh, it's dark in here. It's dark out here, too.
The sun sets fast on Mars, Professor. Come, let me lead the way.
How am I doing there?
Watch that first step. Have no fear, Earthman. I'll catch you. Oops, sorry.
That's not too high. I can jump that easy. That crazy tape measure for the paper. What's the matter? You crazy or something?
Step right up, Professor, and win a cigar.
Oh, that's nice. I like a cigar.
Now walk back 20 paces. This guy's smart as a whip. Turn, aim, draw, shoot. Bullseye! You win a cigar.
Martians is the craziest people.
Oh, Professor Dingle-Dong, from the planet Earth.
Aha! There you is. I get you now, you little schmuddle. Hey, what goes there? Stop pulling the tree down! mit you there. You were supposed to trip on that ding-busted string, and the gestunken shotgun was supposed to go off.
Very ingenious. You mean like this. Okay, I give up. I can't stand to see an Earthman cry. I'll go back down to Earth with you.
You will? Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, come on. We'll go in my rocket ship.
You will be the eighth wonder of the world. I will be famous. Your name Dingle-Dong will go down in history.
Stand by for countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.